everyone, in this video we got a package from Test Alarms and Electric, or as I should say, Test Alarm Systems and Electric. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I think we're gonna start like the other video from my other friend. Like, I start with that box and then I move on. Like one box and then move on. Let's start. Start with opening this thing up here and on this side. See if I can do this more simple. Yes, I could. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's funny. He wrote my name on here. That's pretty funny. Okay, let's put that box away for now. Let's take a look into this box. Okay. Let's start. Got an opening here. Ooh, we got some bags. Let's see what we got. Let's see if I can get it out. What is this? Let's find out what this is. Oh, there's two bags in this, okay. A little special. Ah, here we go. And there's another bag. This looks to be a KAC New Style from Edwards. I have one right here, or in front of me actually, right there, from Esme, which is what we use in Sweden. Alright, just gonna take these bags away for now. Put them over there. Let's see if I can open these with the Edwards keys I actually have. Yes, I can. And here we got, well, basically just like a normal KAC New Style conventional. That's so cool. Thank you. Thank you a lot for that, because I kind of need one to replace one of my call points on my system. There's actually one more thing in here. Two more, I think. Got a back box for a KAC New Style, and will my camera please stop flashing like that? It's pretty annoying. Please fix yourself. Oh well, we got a back box for the KAC. Thanks. And ooh, we got a fire alarm sign from Schneider Electric. We have these in my school, and I kind of stole one, but it's cool to have another one. Alright, what do we have here? Another bag, okay. Okay, that's one box empty. I'll just put these stuff away for now, so we have some more space to work on. Okay, next package. It's the big one. I have no idea what we could have in here, but let's open it up here. And here. Oh dang, it's one of those tapes. I have one of those. It's a pretty cool tape to use like for blocked off areas. Stuff like that. It's pretty neat to have this. Alright, let's open it up. Not gonna try to destroy the box too much. Alright. Just take that apart and then do the last tape right here. Cool. Okay. Let's start opening it up. We got more bags. Alright, let's see. We have our first thing. Something round. I have no idea what that could be. So, opening it up. Wait, I'm just gonna get this tape away. Maybe we can do that with the scissors. Okay, got it. Okay, moment of truth. What is this? Alright, there's another bag. Don't get too excited too fast. Ooh! Gonna see if I can open it up even more. I think I know what this is. Now when I see it. Oh yeah! It's a Securitas Roshni, or Rolf, as they mostly call them. Dang! That's so cool. Oh dang, it's pretty old style too. The volume thing right here. You got all the terminals, all the tones. Dang, thank you so much. Just gonna put it to the side. Alright, let's move on to our next thing. Oh, this thing's heavy. Okay. Let's open it up to see what's heavy. Just gonna cut this tape off. Get this open. Oh yeah, a door magnet. It's the exact same model as I have in my school on one of the older doors. So this is one type of older version of these door magnets. Oh dang, I always wanted one of these. You can just close the door by pressing this, the door release, and it will turn off and the door will be released and closed. Dang, that's really cool. Alright, next device. Small, maybe a sign? Not sure. Let's open it up. Can't say too much. It's just the size of it that I think it's a sign. Hit my KC there by accident. Oh, I don't actually have one of these. I have those that says fire alarm on it, or the Swedish word fire alarm. This one says this, which means it's not a fire alarm, but it could be something else too, like you gotta evacuate. I mean, I have one right behind me, but it sits on the wall, the Swedish version. The other one that says fire alarm. That is really cool. Alright, next thing. Something round again. Wonder what that is. Just gonna do this sheet a little. Okay. Getting all the bags. Okay. Oops, I accidentally dropped the bag. Clean that up pretty much soon. Ooh, is this what I think it is? Oh yeah! It's a Cranford! Dude, I always wanted a Cranford so much. Cranfords are just special to me. Oh dang. Well, why are these things special? Well, they have the same fire alarm tone as my school. I can show an example of my school fire alarm here. And these apparently have the same tone, which is really cool. Of course I cleaned this thing. I like cleaning, or, well, fixing some fire alarms and cleaning them to make them look better. Alright, we got one more thing. Right here. I have no idea what this is. So let's open it up and see what it is. I think this is the surprise, because I would get a mystery. Or maybe this is. I don't know what this could be. But let's open it up and find out what it is. Just put all the bags to the side. Oh my god, there's like 30,000 bags on this thing. Holy crap. Not gonna lie, but there's like 30,000 bags on this thing. Holy moly. Holy crap, I'll probably have to speed this up. Oops. That's one good thing why there's like 30,000 bags on this thing. If you accidentally drop it, it won't break. So that's a good thing. Let's get a... Okay, it seems to be a... Holy, that's cool. Oh, this is a Cytone smoke. Dang, these are so cool. Yep, Cytone. Dang, these look so cool in some way. There's something with them that makes them look so cool. Let's put it back on the base. There. Okay, I'll clean up all of these bags now. And also, thanks for all the stuff you sent me. It really made me approve my collection. Alright, this is everything I got. We got 2 signs. And we got a door magnet, which has a door release, which is very cool. KC Newstyle back box, and of course a KC Newstyle conventional, and a Securitas Roper Roshni. I don't know what the hell to call it, but we got a Cranford, which makes the same code. However, I just gotta put coding to it, but obviously it will sound the same. And we got a Cytone smoke. Wow, thank you a lot for sending me this. Like I said, this makes my collection more cool. I might even replace my Klaxon sounder with this, because Cranfords are really cool. Well, thank you for watching. All credits for all these devices go to Fire Systems and Electric. I'll put his unboxing video in the description and his channel in the description. Alright, that makes it all complete. Thank you for watching. My next video will probably be a system test. Monthly system test 1. It's about damn time I get that thing going. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.